Welcome to my channel. Friends, today we will explore brilliant ideas regarding garden design for home decoration. Friends, these ideas are heart-touching. Friends, please share these ideas to other friends who love home gardens. Gardens are indeed essential for home decoration as they bring a natural and refreshing touch to the overall ambience. The presence of greenery, colorful flowers, and various plant life in a garden creates a connection with nature, which is known to have a calming effect on our minds. Being surrounded by such natural beauty can reduce stress, promote relaxation, and uplift our mood, making the home a more pleasant place to live. Moreover, gardens contribute to the aesthetic of a home, enhancing its curb appeal and visual appeal. A well-designed garden can be a focal point of the property, drawing attention and admiration from visitors. Friends, the carefully selected plants, attractive landscaping, and thoughtfully placed decorative elements all come together to create a visually appealing and harmonious outdoor space, adding value to the overall home decoration. Beyond aesthetic, gardens also offer practical benefit to home decoration. They can serve as a functional space for outdoor activities and gatherings. Thoughtful design garden can provide areas for entertainment such as patio for dining, cozy sitting areas for relaxation, or open spaces for children to play. These functional aspects of a garden complement the interior of the home, extending the living space and encouraging more time spent outdoors, fostering a healthier lifestyle. Garden enhance the beauty of a home, creating a pleasing and inviting atmosphere for both residents and visitors. Friends, plants in the garden help improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Friends, a well-designed garden reflects the homeowner's taste and style, making the space more personalized. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.